Good morning. This is Rahim. I'm going to explain you about 3 marks question for the BTech students. So I'm going to explain you here that one engineering physics, how to get easy way 3 marks question to draw the structure of NaCl and CaCl structures. Okay, then we are going to observe here that one. So first question is like that. Draw the structure of NaCl, right? NaCl. So simply sodium chloride is NaCl structure. Simply draw how to draw the NaCl structure. Okay. So simply go for the simple cubic structure. First go for drawing the learn drawing how to draw the simple cubic structure. So simply draw the box here like this. Okay. Equal sides you have that one. Equal sides I am going to draw the structure of simple cubic. So now I am going to attach like this simply. Okay. Now I have drawn the box now, right? So I am going to add here that one more layer. So this is the layer, center layer. So which is representing a green color you are observing here. Green color exactly center, right? Now I mean that one I have taken box and I cut here the center. Just right now. So what you have to do that one? How to draw simple way you have to draw the NaCl structure. Simply draw the one cross line here and exactly downside you are observing that one downside. You have to draw one more cross line, right? I will run one cross line. I will draw another cross line, right? Left side I am going to draw that one cross line. I am going for right side also one cross line. Okay. Now I am going to join these things. Right. One line here from here to here and one line from here to here. Observe that one. I have drawn here one line here to here and one line is from here to here. Okay. So same way I have to draw here one line from here to here and one line from here to here. Just you are observing that one. This box I am going to cut this way. I am going to cut this way. Two ways I am going to cut here that one. Okay, just you observe that one. So this is the center you have this plane. So this is the center of this plane. You join these two centers here. Okay, just you observe this plane, right? Observe this plane. The center of this plane is here. The center of this plane is here. Now you have to join this plane like this. Okay. Now you are observing that one here inside that one. So one point here, one point here, one point here that one. Now I am going to add all the points here like this. Right here. Now our NaCl structure is over. What is that one? You have to do that one, right? So now what you are placing here that one means. So here one corner atom, right? Here one corner atom. Here one corner atom. One corner atom. So now we are going to observe this thing here. So here one corner atom, one corner atom, one corner atom, one corner atom. Totally how many corner atoms are there? 8 corner atoms are there. So now observe that only 8 corner atoms. So consider these corner atoms consider as a Cl minus. So Cl minus, Cl minus, Cl minus, Cl minus, Cl minus, Cl minus. Okay, right? So in between these two Cl minus, now observing the one Cl minus, so you have to place out one completely filled box, filled atom like this, darra. Okay, Arab student, you are calling that one darra. So one darra here and one here, one atom. So in between two chlorine, one atom. Okay, in these two chlorines, one atom, right? So one here we have placed one atom. Here in this two corner in between that one atom, filled atom. The filled atom indicating that one Na plus. Okay, Na plus. right? Now here Na plus, this is a filled atom, Na plus, right? Now here once again observe that one corner atom. In between I am placing that one filled atom. Filled atom indicating with Na plus, right? Corner atom in between one filled atom. Filled atom is indicating with Na plus, right? Corner in between you have that one filled atom. Filled atom I am placing here that one. So here I placed that one Na plus. One corner atom in between you have Na plus, right? In between filled atoms, one atom it is called chlorine Cl minus, right? In between two filled atoms, one you have Cl minus. In between two empty atoms, filled atom I placed that one, the filled atom indicating with Na plus, right? Clear? Now empty atoms are there. Empty atoms we have to place in between that one filled atom. So this is the empty atoms we have. Empty atoms in between you have filled with Na plus. Now I am placing here. Okay, that's exactly this one I am placing here. So this is the Na plus. Now I am indicating with Na plus and Na plus, right here. So in between that one, so empty atom. So empty atom, it is indicating with filled atom, right here. So filled atom, opposite side we have placed that one empty atoms. So Cl minus, Na plus. This is the simple structure of NaCl crystal. Simple structure of NaCl crystal. Then we have to indicate here the filled atom. Filled atom indicating with Na plus. Okay. So empty atom indicating with Cl minus. So this is the structure of NaCl. So this is for 3 marks. Okay, he is asking for 3 marks or 2 marks structure, 2 marks for B.Tech student or B students, right? Next video you are going to observe that one, how to draw CaCl structure. So we are going to observe that one, and the diamond structure also we are going to observe. A simple way to draw that one. So diamond structure we are going to learn. Okay, thank you.